First of all, open Google on Chrome browser and log into your Google account. From the Apps menu available at the right top corner, select Calendar. Google Calendar will open for you, showing your upcoming events. Click Create button. A new window will open. Give a title for your event. Choose your date and time schedule according to your needs. Click on More Options. Then a detailed window will appear. Click on the Add Google Meet Video Conferencing button. Now you will see a link together with the maximum allowed participants. Note that if you are logged in from your personal Gmail ID, the maximum number will be 100, whereas if you are using an institutional mail ID associated with G Suite, the number will be 250 at present. You can copy that meeting link and share it to the meeting participants. Participants can join the meeting by entering the link on their browser. The meeting creator will get notification asking whether to accept them or reject when someone joins through the meeting link. Below, you have an option to set up notification either by sending mails or as notification in the Google Calendar at a specified time before the meeting starts. In the right portion of the window, you have the option to invite special guests. Note that this is an important step. The mail IDs that you enter in the guest column can join our meeting without further consent from the organizer. So it is highly advisable to add all those important persons here to ensure their participation. After saving the event will appear on your calendar. You can edit, modify or delete the event later. Now you can go to meet.google.com in a separate tab to see the scheduled webinar on your page. When you click on it, your browser will ask you to allow camera and mic. You have buttons to mute mic and hide camera. When you press the join button, the webinar starts. You can see the people already joined and you have the option to chat with them. You can leave the meeting and rejoin it if wanted. Now to set up live streaming, go to studio.youtube.com. If you are for the first time, you will be asked to name your channel. In the home page, you can see a Go Live button. If you are using live streaming for the first time, you will be asked to give your phone number. After entering it, you will get an OTP on your phone. Enter it here for verifying your account. Now again go to your studio home and press the Go Live button. You will get a warning that you have to wait 24 hours. You can access the live feature only after 24 hours post verification. Now, we are going to download and install the OBS software for live streaming your screen. After installing OBS in your computer, you will get a screen like this. From the plus button on the bottom, select Window Capture. In the upcoming window, choose the window you want to share. In our case, it will be Google Meet window on Chrome browser. You can adjust the window size also. Then go to Settings tab. Make sure that the settings are like this. Now, after your verification period is over, when you press the Go Live button, you will get the option to create a live streaming. Give title. Select your audience. Schedule your streaming and click Create Stream. In the upcoming window, you will see a Stream Key box. You can copy the key using the copy button and paste it on a text file. By clicking on the Manage button on the left, you can get the video link for your streaming, which you can share with the participants. Now again go back to OBS and select Settings. In the Stream Settings tab, enter the streaming key that you had copied from YouTube Studio. Now we are ready to live stream our event. Click on the Start Streaming button on OBS. Note that it will automatically trigger the Start Recording button also. Now, if you go back to YouTube Studio, you will see your video is being uploaded to YouTube server and you can preview it. When you are ready to go live, you can press on the Go Live button on the top right.